Good day again guys and welcome to Doc Ivan Answers. Our question for today is by Sir Papa J. Siguro dalapas ang apelido mo dito, no? So, question na po na regarding dun sa retatrutide. Actually, Sir J, marami nga po kayo nagtatanong regarding sa retatrutide. Gagawa ko ng long form video regarding this. But, to answer your question, retatrutide is a newer drug for weight loss. Kung si semaglutide is GLP-1 agonist, si tirzepatide is dual incretin agonist, GLP-1 and GIP. Retatrutide is a triple agonist. Kasama mo na doon yung glucagon. However, Sir J, retatrutide as of this time is an investigational drug. Hindi pa po siya approved commercially. Ibig sabihin, kung ano po yung nabibili nyo dyan, either outsource yan or hindi siya tama. Kasi nga, in general, hindi pa siya available. Pang drug testing pa lang, kumbaga. So me, as an endocrinologist and an ethical doctor, syempre, huwag po muna sana kayong bumili or mag-try ng ganyang gamot. Hintayin na lang po natin kapag approved na siya. And of course, commercially available na dito sa Pilipinas. Hopefully, Sir Jay, nasagot ko po yung tanong nyo. Abangan nyo po yung long form video natin dyan. Bye-bye!